Betsy Malloy Photography. Each ride vehicle has a Pooh-themed name. Before it was finally built in Critter Country, this ride was in the plans for Fantasyland and Toontown. It replaced an older ride called Country Bear Jamboree. You will find the heads of Max the deer, Melvin the moose, and Buff the buffalo mounted on the wall inside as a remembrance of the older ride. To make it look like Pooh is floating away after he falls asleep, Imagineers use a special effect called Pepper's Ghost Illusion. The same effect, which uses a simple reflection on a piece of glass, appears in the Haunted Mansion and Pinocchio's Daring Journey. You can also find Eeyore in an unexpected Disneyland ride, Indiana Jones's Adventure. If you want to see him, he's in the projector room, near the ceiling and almost impossible to spot in the dark. If you ask a cast member, they can show you where he's hiding. What is Eeyore doing there? Here's the story. When the Indiana Jones ride was built, it took over the area which was once the Eeyore parking lot.